Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2020 Kawasaki KRX, KRX 1000. We have just installed the Ryco Street Legal kit on it, part number 4200. We do have these available already in store. We can ship one out to you today. I'm going to do a little walk around and show you a little bit about the Street Legal kit. As you know, the Ryco kit comes with three 3/4 inch amber LEDs. Anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole, you can mount these. Keep in mind, if you guys are going to be doing a bumper or the headlight guards or anything along the way, you're going to want to keep that in mind. Other suggested places, you could put multiples right there and even one over on the side. On this machine, we've chosen to put them right there. Good visibility from the front as well as the side. The Ryco kit activates just like your car. Simply push down on the lever for left. Indicator lights up on the dash to let you know that the turn signals are on. What I love about the Ryco kit is it does tie into the stock tail lights. How cool is that? Great big visibility on there. No additional holes to drill in the back. Right function, indicator light up there as well. And on the back side, the Ryco kit also has the 4-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. All the lights in the front, as you can see in the window there, and in the back are going to illuminate. Some states do require the 4-way hazard function. You can also see the license plate mounting hardware there, as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. The Ryco kit is going to come with everything that you need to be street legal here in the state of Utah, with the exception of 2 mirrors. You need to do a left view and a right view, or a left view and a rear view. That's completely up to you. The Ryco kit also comes with full color instructions, or you can give us a call anytime, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Check out our sister store, Ruthless Motorsports. Always a great deal on the street legal kits there. If you'd like to talk to me personally, my name's Jared. 435-851-3637 is my cell phone number. Call or text me anytime. One last thing to relieve those hazards, just simply go up or down with the lever. Anything you guys need for your all-new Kawasaki KRX 1000, we've got it. Also, street legal kits are available for every side-by-side and ATV on the market. Give us a call. Hope you're all having a great night.